Hey there, Joy Cakebeek, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant. We recently went to the movies and my daughter ended up getting popcorn on her pants, and so they left a bunch of these grease stains. So I'm going to use my Norwex to remove these grease stains. I actually laundered them already because I forgot about them, but I'm still going to be able to get these grease stains out. So I'm going to start with just a diluted spray with our stain remover, just to get the garments wet. And then I'm going to put some of our stain remover on here full strength. Just squeezing it on there just a little bit. And I'm going to rub that in. So I'm using our stain remover in the full strength. I'll do it on the other side as well. And then I'm also going to sprinkle a little bit of our Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent on these spots. So I'm going to kind of make just a tiny bit of a paste. And I'm doing this so that the grease is going to be lifted out of the fabric. But I'm also trying to prevent myself from having to wash it again and again and again to get the grease stains out. So I want to get it out all at this first time. So that's why I'm using the stain remover and I'm using the Ultra Power Plus. I'm going to go ahead and let that sit on there for a bit and then launder it and come back to you and show you how it turned out. Here are the after results. So the pants were soaked in the Ultra Power Plus and the stain remover for a few hours before I laundered them. And then I went ahead and dried them as well, and all of those stains are gone, completely gone. I absolutely love Norwex's laundry detergent as well as their stain remover. Amazing stuff.